Street Garage, welcome back. If you've tuned in before, you know exactly where we're at. We're here at JBA Speed Shop in San Diego, California. And we've got Freedom Street Garage number 13 strapped down on their dyno, so we can see how much power it makes. Of course, we've got the MagnaFlow exhaust, the XMOD exhaust, and the Corsa carbon fiber intake. So we want to see what this thing makes. We're not expecting it to make too much more power with those parts, but let's see what it does.
What do you think it's gonna make?
Man, the Hellcat Charger, 717 from the factory. We added an intake. We added a MagnaFlow XMOD exhaust. I think that's gonna give us around 520 to the wheels.
520.
520.
Today on Freedom Street Garage. No. I think you'll make 218 or 518.
518.
518.
Before we talk numbers, drop your guess in the comment. We want to know what you think this Hellcat's going to make, and also make sure to hit that subscribe button. It helps us out a lot. We put out fresh content every single day. Every single day. So make sure to hit that subscribe button or else you're going to miss it.
Right around 524, 540 for torque, which isn't too bad. So estimated crank's about 697. It's not too far off from what Dodge says it's supposed to make. It's just temperature today is a little warm. Getting a proper tack source has been kind of a problem with this car. So this blue guy right here, this little blue Johnny, is our torque. This red one right here is our horsepower. And this blue guy right here is our estimated. So it's pretty flat for most of the curve. That's good. It surprised me. It made a little bit more than what they usually make. So without correction factor, that's what it made.
Oh, okay.
I won! No, I'm just kidding. If it was, so at the moment with what we have for tack source, it's not the most accurate. But if it was on a colder day and the engine wasn't so hot, it would have made 525. So on a decent cold day, it would more than likely make somewhere around 530, 535 to the tire if it was colder out. It's not bad though, it still rips.
All right, guys, that wraps it up. We just did a couple pulls on JBA's dyno. The car made 697 to the crank on a hot day here in San Diego. It made 520 to the wheels. If you want to have your chance at getting behind the wheel of this Hellcat, make sure you tap that link below. Head over to freedomstreetgarage.com. This shirt, this hat, even this hat could automatically get you entered to win this car. So head over to freedomstreetgarage.com, guys. Good luck. Thanks for watching.